Hey guys, my name is Van, aka Side Hustle Addict. Just another quick tutorial, video on Lyft. What happens if a customer drop an item? So today, a customer dropped his phone in my car. So we did it without the app, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it in the app. So you go to that ride. The ride that the customer dropped the item, go all the way down to the bottom. At the bottom, get help, and then common issues is the fourth one down. Report found item, and then you send them a personalized text message. Hey, this is Van. I found a phone. You dropped a phone in my car, so on and so on. And then the customer would contact you, and then after that, if you return the item to them, you get a $20 return item fee. Yeah, I actually already returned the item. Yeah, he called me when I was driving the passenger. So yeah, $20 to return an item. Sometimes it works out better, sometimes it's not. If you gotta drive 30 miles to return an item, then that's a loss, I guess. But if you only gotta drive like 5 miles and 10 minutes to someplace to return an item, that's a quick $20, right? Yeah. So report item, or did that earlier. Then once the passenger contact you, then you can submit the claim. So let's pretend that the customer already contacted me. So it'd be the same thing, and then it'd be the one below that, claim lost item fee. Yeah, and with Uber is similar. Yeah. So that's how you do the report a lost item in your car. At late night, a lot of people drop that stuff in the car, and I don't always look back after every ride, you know. Yeah, sometimes you drop them off like in the middle of a busy street or whatever, and you just move on to the next. So that's how you get your $20 return item fee. Another quick video, fam. And once again, going forward, less live stream, more regular videos. Yeah, hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Please give your boy a subscribe, ring the bell if you find value in this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.